And me sorry, you know, me see news be na news na me see and many anje, but I've seen say ensem ana nyama bebra etaisi make I say etaisi, especially with gospel musicians, in Bano, and some pastors are minim so etaisi with omopa. I don't know. As a Christian, I am really worried, and I need answers. Say Endra meeting news say make us Endra chi and I meeting news say Joyce Blessing na wawie yegu woni ni kunu Dave Joy ana Dave ni kunu na trese wo producing on njom ni na woni na Dave Joy na obi enim de si ye rumor ne ba ya say Joyce Blessing na wawie gu na me say oh how we there because omoba social media so ana ushi omo wo kroma they look like the perfect couple. Until me say assemble ni na ekoso. Now, this particular podcast I'm doing is as a result of not only Joyce Blessing there no, but an recent interview been so me share from a year former gift you say as is here referring to gift adoye Empress One. Or also ni interview be a work called Stacy so Stacy restoration show so a work can the former marriage send ya assemble gugu ye chese hame. As a Christian, as a lover of gospel music, no, a hammer pan say a lot of gospel musicians from our warrior a yana entire inchina. Young concern so. Now, intino meeting news me say I hope that this is one of those rumors are later a better turn out to be very false. Now later yansa can video yon say Joyce Blessing echo nikunu no ne sister fie say eho na ne mma no wo it Joyce Blessing ko ho se wo ko fa ne mma no na ko da ne nsem bebre. Yesterday I also saw an interview of Joyce Blessing wo ba OKFM. She was interviewed by Abeku Santana, and then clearly you could see say that there is something wrong because OCCC are there assemble one person the beba bonten abekasa but the lawyers ye hu adwuma na say indeed there is something wrong. And send Yankrofo can a bit to me about say Abia our egu. Now we and a maternasi and a madrian because I have a list of countless gospel, especially female musicians are Wama warrior our egu. And these are people they encourage us say say yen ko ware and abibia yembo mpaye na Nyankopon enyi yedofo emayen. They send a message across say womo bompaye ema Nyankopon eyi omodofo emomo. So why is it that most of the times along the line of what is the problem? Is it that Christosum too much me the kwa wawie mu a ema awawie ni gu and I say we are too busy with Christo Juma nintin we don't have time for our spouses and ema awawie ni egu. I don't have answers. That is why I am asking you people. Because you're best sorry na yen Christopher na yakase ti asebi wo mo a wo mo ye wiasefo no na so be won say wiasefo no mum wo mo awawe ejina mo awawe no odo ejina awawe no mum esen Christopher ya wawe. So what are we getting wrong? I am just a worried Christian asking questions because I have seen it countless times. This is not the first time a gospel musician be said will go through a year marriage problems. This is not the first time. We've heard a lot. I mean, from gospel musician, say me refinidin, but gospel musician now about that old gospel musician and also yet they say one also now our sem from that time and also what ye just say ebeye basa Christiana Love dear last year na Christiana Love dear na ye dey see just so ani ye kan ho asem Christiana Love ne Pastor Love. And also later, last year we heard rumors say Wahima Messi so now I don't know whether it was true or not, but last year we actually heard those rumors. And then Empress One gift you say Ghana has a gospel musicians now are females no more share than those, but so far the top ones are maybe actually no why just say like you are seeing what is going on. Empress 1 gift you say one also what na restoration send na worker na wawie nsem no be hu ne say na wo bre because o say fie pa na wo bre na ni kunu eja ni wo fie na so wo ba social media na wo posti wo no ni kunu picture as de wo ma wawie no everything is okay but she was really bleeding and then the yatin so Joyce Blessing. Seriously, I was hoping say Joyce Blessing there no be false, but yesterday as she went on OKFM in a way confirming the news no me say what is going on because my catcher must say me ne pastor bi atenase osofu penyimu pa atenase a wosofu no etumefo na efuto na wosofu ne de ma me no later me wie na me wusumiti de wosofu ne catcher me no wo say wono wosofu no muntie de me kan yo wosofu kese pa wo ga na ase o say wono wosofu no wa worry for 10 good years na wa worry ye no ende si ye catcher ne say won fi aware mu a na ko fi mu ache na so wo hu osofu yi ene wosofu maame a ana asafu maame se ne ye kana obeka se they are the perfect couple wo mo kwa sorry a they preach like wo mo aware no wo mo preach it say they are the perfect couple na so kukuomu asemu a efutuo a wosofu no ede maame no me say my yama adwin say me ware sisi a me nto me bokra ma me nrahye na wono wo ware ye 10 years ni de waba be hu wa ware mu no say yesi won jaya nko wo jaya che aside that me auntie baako bi so ka story bi tell me say emre bi na wo landing na wo landing ho na osofu preachi asafo maame no wo pulpit ne so na wosofu ni preachi na wosofu ni preacher na wosofu ne ka say a Christopher bebre wo ma wawie egu na wono sofo no wopa wo de wo ma chance say Christopher wo mo wa asori ho no wo bia wo pese wo fi na wawie bie mu no wo mpagya ne nsa wo mehwe ane say asafo maame na wote pulpit no so no wo pagya ne nsa say ane wo pese wo fi na wawie mu afi wo sofo na ye kom asori church members mo bia ye kom asofo maame na say ane wo pese wo fi na wawie mu say sofo ni preach na wo bisa into also ka congregation who also pejanensa. So a lot of people in our so-called Christian homes, is it that we make it look like nyankopon and amaya way, but deep down there are things going on in the marriages. What is happening? What is going on? At the end they see, are we being hypocrites? I just want answers. Just say, I need answers. I just don't understand. There is something with our marriages. See, I'm here, and then make a show. I have told you, says Sisiano, it is a norm. So we worry about it because you see, we have statistics near we have statistics near we have seen kuntembu ni no. You say our rejaye edoson. Esin say nkrofo a wo mo aware a wo mo betina mu afebo. And then it is a norm. And I realize him say a Christopher and a Dawson. So what is going on? Is it that we are not being truthful to ourselves? Nipa kono beye no ho se wo ye Kristoni oni ne ko wura wa mu wi ana we hu se nipa kono Kristo suma wo de esi nani so no sebe wo sanso epemba wo echi e na wa hye da de esie. Is it that? Is that what is happening? And you were your gospel musician now, so still now one name Crawford nyama wechi. Is that what is happening? What is going on? I need answers. I don't know. I need answers. That's why I want to talk on this because it was just last week. And I meet Empress Gifty Adoye. Sorry. Empress Gifty Adoye. Na me tie the story restoration with Stacy. Na what your story now be him say hey lady na wo brewa wariem say na wo describe no. Na wo brewa wariem pa na enye easy. But o say ni nechi na wo ba social media na wo si kromo a. Wan hwe a wo be ka kire nyankopon say nyame mesre senya Empress na wawe ne te no mame nso ma wawe nya saa na nso na wawe ne igu na ne kunu no egya no e ma wo suso mu wo se won ompene na nso na ne kunu no egya na e ne egya ketwa e Christopher a mu tie miamo aware a mo nso you are going through similar things mo aware asofo mo aware nyomtofo you are going through similar things. Please, I need you guys to send me a message. Mo send me audio krana me nibeje. Send me an audio and then let me know what is going on. Like, I really need answers. We tell people to always pray before they go into marriages. Asofo ekatre say yembo mpa yansa yakwa awawe mu no adenti na wo mo asofo ni mu no ya no mo awawe ja that and no tre say wo mo and I can tell you Ghana has say in sofo kesiye bebre. They married and then they divorced and they married again. Metumi abo asofo bebre e wo Ghana has say wo mo awawe a wo mo ejai asofo edifo asebe Nyankopon eyi ade kire mo Inti ubebisa se wo mo kwa aware mu no Nyankopon wen yi antre mo anase den. A lot of Ghanaian pastors aware jai. So what is happening? They tell us to pray. Say Nyankopon be yi yedofo amaye. Inti omo no omo ambo mpa ya anase I just don't understand. Edifo been put there. Why Kesiye Wagana has said we all know the number of times he has married. What is just say there is something. Is it that we are too busy with Nyame humanity and we don't have time for our spouses? Is that the case? Or is it that we frame say Nyame nipa na ye do our ni mu wi a then our spouses get to know say say nipa e kan enye say no what I just need answers. Comment box